Hey, come on in. Welcome to the Lincoln, a condominium floor plan by HHHunt Homes. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this is a single floor home. I'm excited to explore it with you. To get started, let's check out the open concept of the living area. The foyer with the closet opens to a large family room, which flows seamlessly into the dining nook and the spacious kitchen. The chef-inspired kitchen offers a pantry, ample cabinets and counter space, and a large island. Kitchen islands are perfect for extra prep space, overflow seating, or a place to hold appetizers for gatherings. Let's go look at the rest of this amazing home. On the way to the bedrooms, you'll find a laundry closet, a full bathroom, and as you can see, the second bedroom offers plenty of room, a large closet, and expansive windows. Some of our homeowners use this as a guest suite or an at-home office. Your large primary suite offers several windows, flooding this area with natural lighting. The Lincoln's primary bathroom offers a glass-enclosed shower, and you have the option of dual sinks. And because no suite would be complete without the perfect closet, we designed this room to feature a large walk-in. Here we are back in the main area of the Lincoln. Before I forget, I must let you know that it offers a garage which can be accessed right off the kitchen. This makes it very convenient for carrying in groceries and other items. We think the Lincoln is perfect and would love to show it to you in person. To learn more, visit us at hhhunthomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.